Hello and welcome to East Sussex College Taster Day. You're here with the Beauty Therapy and Complementary Therapy lecturers, and we are from the Eastbourne campus. A little bit about ourselves. My name is Shelley Lewis and I coordinate the Level 2 Beauty Therapy course. I've been teaching at East Sussex College for 18 years, and I also started out as a student when we were formerly known as ECAT. Next is Eileen Ripley, and she coordinates the Level 3 programme. She also started off as a student at ECAT and has been also teaching at East Sussex College for 18 years. And then finally there's Bev, who coordinates the Level 3 Complementary Therapy course, and she also started off as a Saturday student at when we were known as ECAT. So we'll start with the Level 2 Beauty Therapy qualification at Eastbourne. So this is seen as your very first step on your career as a professional beauty therapist. On this course you'll develop beauty therapy skills in areas such as manicures, pedicures, facials, makeup application, eye treatments, waxing, salon reception, health and safety, and creating retail displays. You'll also develop the right standard of English and maths for the workplace, and you'll have the opportunity to carry out services on paying clients and develop excellent customer service and teamwork skills throughout your time on reception. You'll also get the chance to visit professional beauty exhibition in London, and we sometimes get in external trainers for courses such as bridal makeup, marble lash and HD brows. The entry criteria required to start the Level 2 Beauty Therapy course would be 4 GCSEs at grade D/3. You will need to have good communication skills and be willing to work on members of the public and have the confidence to perform all beauty treatments on strangers. If you don't quite get those grades at school, don't worry, we can offer you an alternative course of Level 1 in hair and beauty therapy. So as mentioned before in the previous slide, you'll be learning a variety of different Level 2 beauty treatments, and you'll be assessed at a competent level to complete your qualification. In addition to this and visiting exhibitions in London, there will also be the opportunity to enter national competitions, attend specialist workshops and demonstrate your skills in college and your hair and beauty showcases. These will give you the opportunity to shine and will include encouragement to take part in internal and external skills events. On this slide, you will see some useful video links to YouTube that will get you started to prepare you with those skills before coming onto our course. So the first one is how to paint nails with a professional finish. So that will show you our 3-stroke method that we train our students with to paint fingernails and toenails. The next one is how to perform a basic soothing hand massage. And then the final one is a fun nail art link, which gives you the opportunity to perform some different nail art designs using different resources from around your house, anything from cocktail sticks to Kirby grips. So give them a go. They're quite fun and it will build those skills up in preparation for you coming on our course. You might be asking yourself, what can I do after Level 2 qualification? So there's lots of different directions you can go. So it will enable you to progress on to Beauty Therapy Level 3. That will be your next step to working in the beauty industry. Or for those seeking employment in the makeup industry, Level 3 Extended Diploma in Beauty Makeup Techniques would be more suitable. Alternatively, you may wish to go on to complementary therapy. It's also a Level 3 qualification, and that will help you to extend your massage techniques alongside learning aromatherapy and reflexology treatments.
Hi, my name's Eileen Ripley and I'd like to talk to you a little bit about the level 3 beauty therapy course that we are proposing to run at the Eastbourne campus. This is going to give you a natural progression route from level 2 beauty therapy, and will introduce you to skills such as specialist facials, body treatments. Most focus will be on body massage as a base, and then include Indian head massage, hot stone therapy. We're also going to look at the running of your own business, as well as a course that will introduce you into the opportunities of working for others. We will always, in all courses on campus, cover health and safety, and a massive part of our course is going to be looking at client care and communication, both verbally, written, body language, professional presentation, etc. With our level 3 course, the entry criteria for this is for our students to have successfully completed their level 2 beauty therapy qualification or the equivalent. Key to success in our industry and course success is good attendance and punctuality, and that will be referenced from your previous course if it's attended at college, from your level 2 tutor during interview, after application. So it is key that your focus is attendance, punctuality. You'll see on the screen a picture of 3 young ladies that have successfully completed both level 2 and level 3 on campus. They are our world skills team, so they are at the top of their game, and all 3 are currently working in industry after having successful completion of both level courses. Hi, one of the key questions I'm always asked during a presentation is, what am I going to be studying? So I'm pleased to announce that there's a change in the scheduled study for the up and coming year, and the key focus is going to be on the massage route, which will include Swedish body massage, hot stone massage therapy, and Indian head massage. We will also be looking at microdermabrasion, which is a specialist facial unit, as well as a large enrichment program which will include spray tanning, gel nail application, individual including mink lash application, intimate waxing. These units are all optional and additional for a student to customise the course to their specific job requirements or employment needs. An opportunity to develop your skills in running your own business will naturally occur during our salons. Also, we will be very keen on getting you a work experience placement right from the induction period, so please be aware of that and have some ideas ready. Look at local industries. Where do you think your place is? That's one of the key questions I will ask you at induction. Where do you see yourself? Are you going to be cruising? Are you going to be working mobile? Are you going to be working in a local based salon? A big part of the course content will be preparing you for what you would like to do when your course is complete. You may feel that you would like to stay on to further enhance your CV with educational opportunities, for example another year in beauty therapy, level 4, or possibly move towards complementary therapies. With your work placements, you will be encouraged to have commercial experience with interview techniques. We will also be looking at the quality of your CV and your preparation for interviews to give you more confidence, and that will give you a good base for when you decide whether you are going to travel. I know that particularly travel is always very, very key, and students are very keen on that. Whether you're you're wanting to be based at spas, whether you're wanting to eventually own your own business, we would always recommend that you do get some industry practice and experience before you make that final decision. So as I mentioned previously, work experience opportunities are key so that you do get an insight into the business and eventually find out where your place is going to be in that business.
Hi, my name's Beverly Collison and I'm going to talk to you about complementary therapies. So a complementary therapist is a therapist who performs treatments which promote healing, improves health, both well-being for the mental and physical aspect of your body. So you perform treatments such as massage, aromatherapy and reflexology. The entry criteria for complementary therapies is an achievement of a level 2 or similar certificate, equivalent of 4 GCSEs or above, or if you're a mature student, then there would be an interview which would discuss your prior learning. So during the course you will study body massage, aromatherapy, which is the use of essential oils, reflexology, which there's going to be a clip about in a moment, anatomy and physiology, which is like human biology. Principles and practices will cover histories and health and safety, and also setting up your own business. After completing the course, you may wish to work in a salon, spa, cruise liner. You might want to work for yourself, such as being mobile, working from home or setting your own salon up, healthcare setup, NHS, care home, trade supplier, or even progressing onto the Complementary Healthcare Foundation degree, which is also run at Eastbourne. So when you do your studying, you'll be in a classroom like the one shown here. You may be doing some theory work in a computer room, and also when we have paying clients coming in when we're performing treatments, it will be run as an open salon. Each week you will be given homework to complete, and that will form a basis of your lesson, and you will be expected to complete some work experience too. A few things that are unique about our course are the trips that we run to London to Body Worlds, the trade shows. We plan on visiting the local spa at the Grand Hotel. There will be workshops throughout the year such as crystals, digipressure massage, Reiki, body wraps. We also have guest speakers throughout the year from companies such as Eve Taylor, the Federation of Holistic Therapists, other practitioners of complementary therapies, salon employers, cruise liner Steiner and the holiday company Nielsen Holidays, along with the passionate teachers with industry experience.